What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the MZK A3 DTF Printer, a game-changer in the world of custom apparel printing. This device is packed with cutting-edge features that will take your printing experience to the next level. From its lightning-fast printing speed to its stunning image precision, we're going to dive into all the details that make this printer a must-have for any serious printing enthusiast. First, let's talk about the incredible value that comes with this printer. With the MZK A3 DTF printer, you get 2 years of free ink and powder, starting from 2025. That's right. You'll receive 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 G of powder every 2 months, with just the cost of shipping covered. This is a massive saving of over $1,000 on supplies, which is a huge deal for anyone who prints regularly. Whether you're running a custom apparel shop, a pod business, or just printing for fun, this deal is a no-brainer. You'll be able to print to your heart's content without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about the printing speed of this device. Equipped with the industrial i3200 printhead, the MZK A3 DTF printer delivers a whopping 5 times faster printing speed than standard models. This means you can print an A3 design in just 2 minutes or an A4 design in 1 minute. This is perfect for high-demand custom apparel shops, pod businesses, and t-shirt studios where time is of the essence. With this printer, you'll be able to meet deadlines with ease and take on more projects than ever before. But speed is not the only thing that matters when it comes to printing. Image precision is also crucial, and the MZK A3 DTF printer delivers in this department as well. With G7 color calibration and ICC curves, this printer achieves stunning 1440 by 1440 dpi resolution. The variable droplet technology dynamically adjusts ink drop size for ultra-smooth gradients and finer details. Overall image precision is improved by 25%, which means what you see on your screen is exactly what you print. This is a huge advantage for anyone who wants to produce high-quality prints that will impress their clients or customers. Another feature that sets this printer apart is its smart-timed cleaning and holiday mode. The holiday mode auto-cleaning prevents nozzle clogging during downtime, so you don't have to worry about printhead clogging or dried ink even when you're away on vacation. The continuous white ink stirring, circulation, and purification effectively prevent ink sedimentation and nozzle issues, which means you'll have fewer problems with your printer and more time to focus on your printing projects. Finally, let's talk about the dual ink level alarm system, which is a game-changer for worry-free printing. The low ink alarm tells you exactly which ink cartridge is running low, allowing timely refills to maintain consistent print quality. The waste ink alarm prevents messy spills, keeping your desktop and floor clean for a truly worry-free printing experience. This feature is a must-have for anyone who wants to avoid the hassle and mess of ink spills and clogged nozzles. In conclusion, the MZK A3 DTF printer is an incredible device that offers unbeatable value, speed, and image precision. With its 2 years of free ink and powder, lightning-fast printing speed, stunning image precision, smart-timed cleaning, and dual ink level alarm system, this printer is a must-have for any serious printing enthusiast. Whether you're a custom apparel shop owner, a pod business owner, or just a printing hobbyist, this printer will take your printing experience to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the MZK A3 DTF printer and start printing like a pro today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to elevate your printing game and take your business or hobby to new heights. Get ready to experience the future of printing with the MZK A3 DTF printer.